In this video, I'm going to show you how to outline text in Affinity. Now, the first thing you have to do, of course, you want to put on some text. I'm going to use this text tool over here and type in hello there. There we go, that's going to do. I'm going to highlight it and make it a bit bigger for this tutorial. There we go. And I'm going to also make it a bit wider. Okay, so let's say that's what we're going to be working with. So from here, I'm going to make it bold just so we can see a bit better. And you can also change the fonts. This is completely up to you. I'm going to select this font over here, and then what you can do from here is just click on the layer on the right hand side to have it selected. Go to down here where you can see the layer effects, so the FX, and on here you want to go to the outline and make a check mark next to it. Now the blend mode should be on normal, and here the radius, this is the most important part, you want to make it as big as you want. Okay, so here you can't really see the difference. Let me change the color to something like red over here. There we go, and now you can see what's actually going on. And let's say this is the outline I want to have. It's a bit of an outline, doesn't really matter for this tutorial. And then here you can do the outline or the alignment. You want to make it outside. Of course, you could do the center as well or the inside. That's completely up to you. And then if you want to actually remove the initial text, you can just go to fill opacity and then put this down to 0, and it's basically only going to keep your outline like this. And then you can of course adopt that and change it to, and then you can click on close, and as you can see, this is now only the outline text and it's fully customizable. You can add things in here. You could do whatever you want with it. So that's it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.